Hey guys, it's James with ProjectRE. Today we are dialing for dollars. We are actually doing a call-a-thon, call-a-rama, whatever you want to call this thing, where we have our internal sales guys and we are dialing for 2 hours straight. We're having a competition on who can set the most appointments with our sellers. Winner gets 5 lay-down appointment deals. Losers, which is going to be those guys because they're competing against me, have to dial 200 people a day for the next month. So the goal is to get our salespeople out there working more. If you're a wholesaler that's struggling to get deals done as the market's transitioning, you want to switch up your marketing campaigns. More contacts means more deals. Get more deals done. Focus on smaller fees. So we've engaged companies like EasyButton Lead. They are calling 50 to 60,000 people a month for us. And then our internal sales guys are hitting more targeted, narrowed lists, and that's what we're doing today. So stay tuned. We're going to show you guys what we're doing, what we're calling on, and we're going to see who wins this 2-hour competition. It better be me.
Hello?
Hey Thomas, how you doing? It's James, Dainard, Heaton, Dainard Real Estate. How are you? Well, that lead didn't go that well, but I did just get a text message that says, hey James, we can make $250 work. So we did get a deal. We just didn't get it through this phone call. We got it through a different phone call. So, point of cold calling, stack your pipeline, and look at that. Proof is in the pudding, right there. Says, hey James, I think we can make $250 work if you're interested. Want to set up an appointment to bring your contractor through. Done, that's a buy. So we did get a deal, just not through this call, a different call. Let's keep going. Hey Paul, how you doing? This is James Dainard with Heaton, Dainard Real Estate. Hey, I'm calling in regards to your property. We have in Lake Stevens, we have actually a few interested buyers up in that area. We just want to kind of circle back with you and see if you had interested in selling the property. Give me a call, 425-246-2187. We can give you a pretty hassle-free number within 24 hours of kind of speaking to you. So give me a ring when you can. Again, 425-246-2187. Thanks. Hey, I was calling about your property on 47th and Spanaway.
Yeah.
We have a bunch of clients looking in that area right now in Spanaway and in Pierce County, and we're just reaching out to sellers right now to see if they had any interest in selling the property. The buyers are all cash, and there's no commissions that are due either, so we just kind of give people a very clean, quick offer.
Yeah, I already have a realtor.
Oh, do you? Are you listed right now?
It's not listed right now. We're just doing some work to get it listed.
Okay, you guys are getting it like prepped and ready for the market?
Yeah.
Do you guys have a price that you were going to be listing for, or roughly?
Yeah, roughly, I think it's like 413.
Okay, 413. Okay. All right. Well, 413. All right. What I can definitely do is, can I take a look at this and see if we're in your kind of guys' range, and then give you a ring back and let you know if that's something that would you guys be interested in selling before you finished it at all, so we can do our own finishes? Or is it almost done?
Possibly. There's not. I mean, maybe. I'm actually buying wood right now as we speak for the back decking. Oh,
there you go. Well, that's definitely one of the more expensive things right now.
Oh, it's not that bad. It's just some pressure treated board. It'd be like $100.
Are you building it yourself?
No. I'm just replacing the top.
Oh, got it. Yeah.
Rails. That's it. Yeah. That's all that needs to be done to it. It's got Trek on the bottom.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's fine. So, yeah.
Yeah, what I can do is I can just take a look and see if we're even in your range, and then give you a ring back if I think I can get close there or even to that number.
Okay.
And like I said, we're just kind of representing our buyers. The buyers pay, so you don't have to pay us a commission either. So, but what I can do is I can take a quick look at it and then follow right back up with you. I kind of know where I need to be at, and if we can get there, I definitely will give you a ring. All right, guys, I want to recap that call and why I kind of jumped off and didn't squeeze into the appointment. This guy told me he was going to sell the property. He was going to be listing with a broker in the next 2 to 4 weeks, but they were going to list for $419, and that guy was renovating the home already and already painted the property. He was in the store buying wood for the back deck. Knowing that property, we're going to be around $310. The fact that he's already gone through, we kind of missed the window. If we could have caught him before he spent all the money on the house, we would have actually had a good shot, because we're roughly 80,000 off and he's putting 30 in minus real estate commissions, we would have had a much smaller gap. But the reason I didn't book the appointment, even though I could have, is it's a waste of my time. If I spend 3 hours driving out there, meeting with the guy, talking to him about it, going back, submitting him an offer, that's a waste of the time where I could be calling, or following up on good potential leads. So make sure you work smart. Don't waste your time. Just because someone wants to sell doesn't mean it's for a wholesaler. Identify that lead, figure out if it's good to follow up on. If not, kill it, move on to the next one.
Is not available at this time.
Welcome to Verizon Wireless. Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Welcome to Verizon Wireless. You may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey Mark, how you doing? This is James, Dainard, Heaton, Dainard Real Estate. We have a client very interested in your property on 84th Street in Tacoma. We'd like to deliver you a cash offer with no commissions. Give me a call when you can, 425-246-2187. We do make it fairly easy. We go out and do one walkthrough, get you a very clean offer, do all our feasibility inspections up front. But give me a call. Hello, it's James.
Mr. Dainard, how you doing, sir?
I'm good.
This is Michael. Yeah, calling you back.
Hey, what's going on? How are you?
Doing well. Do you know who you called? Do you remember me?
Oh yeah, you used to work. You know what's so funny is I saw your name and I was like, oh, that's funny. That's Mike Mira. That I know that name.
All right.
Yeah.
I actually just did a deal with Carrie. We're doing a joint venture. That was actually a pre got picked up a long time ago.
This is my old sales rep.
The renters got some COVID trouble. Then I had a squatter move in, and it's been vacant for 8 months.
Oh no
And
shit.
So it looks like a foreclosure for sure. But I don't know why it's still showing up. But I just signed a deal with Carrie, and I'm actually back smacking doors. They offered me a job. They're getting back in the pre's. So right now I'm driving.
Oh, there you go. Driving for dollars.
Yeah.
But
Exactly. I was just thinking of you. I was just like, man, Jimmy and Will trained me. I drove under Jimmy for a while.
So wait, did you sell this deal to Carrie?
I did.
We're
doing a joint partnership. So what he's doing is he's going to put up some money, fix up the house, bring it up to above market value, and then we're going to put it on the market and get retail.
Okay, cool.
That's his plan.
Got it.
That's his plan. So that's his new approach. Is he's got a 3-pronged system. Like we can do a cash offer, or we'll offer if your home qualifies to put in a little bit of money and you have some time.
Yeah.
Work out a postponement and put your house on the market. And then if that's not working, we have another. We'll offer it to investors and see if somebody will pick it up.
Yeah, like
better price than our cash offer.
Oh, got it. So you give them 2 cash offers?
No, they'll market it as like the silly.com to investors at a certain price point. And if nobody picks it up at that price point, then we'll buy it as is cash offer.
Oh, got it. Yeah, so they basically test the waters and say, hey, no matter what, we can close at this number.
Exactly.
Yes,
So
we
we think we'll get you this amount. We have investors lined up, but if not, then we'll guarantee you this.
Yeah, got it, dude. Got it. Yeah, it's funny. I'm just doing I haven't cold called in a long time, and I'm doing a sales training with all my guys. And so we're having a call-a-thon where we're just dialing. And then I was going through a list. This is a random list too that they just gave me. And I was calling through like, oh, Mike Mira, I know that name. I didn't think it was you though.
It's me. But I didn't think it was you who was calling. I had to replay the message a few times. I was like, that's Mr. Dainard. He doesn't usually call. I expect him to show up at the house.
Well, it's all good, dude. Well, you guys definitely get the house done quickly, dude. The market is declining, so get it done fast, dude. Did you get any appointments yet?
Dude, I haven't had any. I've talked to one person.
Really? I've talked to 5.
I've talked to one.
You talked to 5? Well, what are you getting?
Yeah.
All duds?
Let me see. I've called 57 dials, 40 different people. I've had one conversation over 2 minutes.
Ooh, potential spam. I'm getting called by a cold caller again right now. Every time I make a call out, I get a call back. You know what's so funny is I'm literally making phone calls to property owners at the same time, so we're cold calling at the same time. For real. What are you selling? What do you got? Well, we got a live one. That's not bad though, because Nick, how many people you called? 50? 50, and you've called 50? I've called 20. So one appointment out of 130 calls. That's not bad. Done. What's he want? He wants a milli. Whew.